What's up, y'all? We're back with another episode of What You Cooking Tea. Today we are cooking some Cajun pasta stuffed Cornish hens. So we're about to get right on into it. So I've already cleaned them a little bit, and I'm just about to cut them down the middle so that we can, have room for the pasta to go. So that's what you're about to see me do here to each one of them. They were still kind of needing cleaning on the inside, so I did end up going in and cleaning them out once I got them all cut, washing them out again, things like that. But that's what you're looking at. I'm just kind of breaking them in half so I can stuff them. Okay, so we're just going to start seasoning. I mean, you can use whatever seasoning you prefer, but I did start off with the Cajun seasoning, since that's the theme of this dinner. It's a little Cajun pasta meal. So things like onion powder, garlic salt, paprika. I always use dill wheat on my chicken or any type of chicken. I know these are hens, but yeah, I always use dill wheat and Lawry's seasoning salt as well. I kept it pretty basic, but I did end up using my sriracha ginger seasoning that we get from Marshall's or TJ Maxx. But for the most part, whatever seasonings you decide, I'm sure either way it'll be good. Okay, so we're pretty much going to do the same thing on the other side, get it good and seasoned, and I had 5 of these to do, so yeah, I did the same thing with all of them. So I got the butter and a little hint of water in the pan. I'm about to put the first 2 or 3 over here. And we're gonna do them. I think we're gonna face them up. I don't know. We'll see. Put them in there first. We're gonna put them in there like that, and then we got the other one. I'm gonna just turn these over and put some of the juice from this one into this one on top, cover them up, put them in the oven. Okay, now we're about to add our chicken drumsticks to the air fryer. Let these cook for a bit so that we can have chicken or the pasta, because I didn't get no chicken breast, so we make do with what we have, period. Okay, so we air fried the chicken and then cut it off the bone, letting it cook a little more with the sausages. Be back. So I got my water. Put some of this in here since I don't have my powdered one. And yeah, we about to let this boil, and then we're gonna add our noodles. We're doing this. This is almost done. So I did keep it basic this time. We just used the regular Alfredo sauce that you're gonna see, and then yeah, we just went with that because, baby, we on a time crunch. We getting ready to go out of town, so I'm surprised I even was in the mood to cook after cleaning the whole house to make sure everything's straight before we leave. But anyways, we did eat good, so it was worth it. But yeah, so this is just me, cooking down the bell peppers, and then yeah, we used the Bertolli's Alfredo sauce. I did end up using 2 jars, and I always add a little water to the jar and then pour it in there just because it can be on the kind of thick side, and I don't like it like that. But give it a little stir and then add a little bit of seasoning to it, just to my liking, especially the Cajun seasoning, since we wanted that little kick in there. And this is just minced garlic that I added. But for the most part, you really don't have to add anything because Bertolli usually has a really good flavor. And this is pretty much it as far as the pasta is concerned. I did turn it on low and let it simmer a little bit because the Cornish hens were still cooking. But yeah, we're going to leave it like it is, honey. Add that little extra seasoning, and this is good as done. Now let's get over to this garlic bread. So we got the Walmart garlic Texas toast. It's a 2-pack. I'm doing one. I'll probably do both. I don't know. Walmart Texas toast. It's about to go in the oven. Okay, so now we about to stuff. quick. Come back in the oven for a little bit. And there you have it, guys. Thank you so much as always for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn the notification bell on so you know when I post.